Hello, I'm George, and this is the fourth lesson of my Java programming tutorial series. In this video, we are going to create some classes. Classes are the basics of Java. Everything in Java is a class. So what can classes include? They can include fields, methods, and constructors, and inner classes. In this video, we are not going to cover the inner classes, but we are going to make a constructor, and we are also going to add some fields to the classes and some methods. So, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to create a public static void main method, then create a new class, and the class will be called xy. The class will have a private int x field and a private int y field. We are going to create a constructor for the class with the int x and int y parameters, and if I do this dot x equals x, then I am setting the field of the class. After reformatting the code, we can create some getters. We are going to create a getter for the x and a getter for the y, and the getter will basically return the field's values, so return x and return y. We are also going to set some setters here, which will be setx, which basically will set the x value in the class to the value which we pass to the parameter of the setx method, and we are going to do the same thing with the set y. So this dot y equals y. So the next thing what we are going to do will be limiting the functionality of setters. We want to make sure that all our x and y numbers are always positive numbers. So we are going to use math.max method for making sure that they can't go below 0. We are also going to implement a toString method which will do like x, space and y for being able to print the value of this xy class. We are also going to create an equals method which will first of all verify if we are trying to compare it with the xy, and if we are not trying to compare this class with another xy class, then we are going to return false. It means that it doesn't equal, because xy can only equal to another xy. And the second thing what we are going to do is casting the object to xy and verifying if the given objects x and y coordinate matches or xy's x and y coordinate. We are also going to make some hash code here for making sure that xy classes with the same x and y values have the same hash code. And now we can code the actual program. So we create a new scanner from the system input, and we are also going to read two numbers from the scanner, but we are going to use these numbers in the xy classes constructor. So we are going to do new xy, scanner.nextInt, scanner.nextInt. So we are going to print what did we read. So system out print line, xy is, and we can just use xy because we already implemented the toString method. We are also going to check the xy values average. For that, we are going to create a new method in xy, which will be called average. It should return double, and it will be basically x plus y divided by 2.0. We are also going to create a method for calculating the sum of x and y. It will be just x plus y, and we can use this sum method actually in the average method to count the average. We are also going to print out the sum, of course.
Oops, 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 oops.
I hope you realized, but I made a mistake here. I need to create a new package, call it lesson 4, and move all the classes to it, like that. Now we can run the program. We can enter 3 and 5. As you can see, the sum is 8 and the average is 4. And we can also try it with another numbers. Try it with 14 and 18. And you see the average is 16. The sum is 32. So I hope you liked this introduction to classes in Java. In the next episode we are going to take a look at the usage of inner classes. And then I will also give you a homework. For now you can just experiment with these getter methods, setter methods, and that's it for now. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also do not forget about clicking the notification bell so you could get notified when I upload my next video.